Today on Cooking for Kyle, we're going to see how I do popcorn. So, first thing that you need for popcorn is bacon grease. The second thing you need is a pot. I guess you need a spoon or something to get the grease out. Wait for that to melt for a minute. Got it on medium-high heat, and normally I would use half a cup, but I got a really big pot going on, so I'm going to try 3/4. Put that in there. Shake it up. Generally, you just kind of cover the bottom. And we're going to wait for it to start popping. Just kind of watch it. Shake it around a bit. Make sure all of your kernels are getting exposed to the grease and that heat transfer going. And you can pretty much put the lid on anytime. I usually wait. There's usually one or two kernels to pop at the beginning. There we go. I should put this in slow-mo and just keep recording it. Alright, so too many of them were coming out of the pan, so I had to put the lid on. Since we don't have our little turner at the bottom that Kyle has. We're just going to shake it up by hand. Whole process takes 2 minutes. No, more than 2. Once it starts popping, it doesn't take more than a couple of minutes. Once you get enough popcorn in there, then it's still popping at the bottom. You can take the top off because all the popcorn on the top is going to keep it from flying off. Turn off the heat once the kernels slow down. Shake it up a little bit more. And then, like Kyle said, you got to kind of salt it a couple different times. Salt it before you pour it. Woo! Get your big bowl. Pour some. A little bit more salt. And then pour in the rest. A little bit more salt. Woo! What's that? Must be a later episode. Tastes pretty good.